Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to use the right click on Samsung Galaxy Book4. So, when we have a mouse connected, then just click the right click on the mouse and here you have all the options. But if you don't, then we need to use the touchpad. Make sure that the touchpad is enabled. You can do it by clicking and holding the FN button at the very bottom left corner and clicking F5. As you can see, touchpad off, once again touchpad on. Now on touchpad just click the very right bottom corner and here you have all the menu. So that's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.